Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 22 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out once a year, every year now for the last couple of years. We have done days 1 through 21 here on our channel if you want to go ahead and look back at those if you haven't done so already. And please like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing our content. All right, let's dive into day number 22. Okay, so it's a big package, but it's light. Let's see. Definitely curious. All right. Woo! We had a casualty. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is leather. Okay. We've got some leather. It says Hometown Leatherworks. You see that? All right. Some 2 pieces. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's it's an awl, they call it, but I don't know what they call it, but when you poke it through. But anyway, it has the awl marks, so all the holes for you already for the project. Let's see. All right, so 2 pieces. They look to be about the same, maybe the same color, a little bit different. You can tell this one's a little bit darker than this one, so I don't know if they're intentionally different colors, or if they're just maybe different lot numbers. Let's see, scan to get 25 free leatherific patterns. Okay, so that's kind of cool. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I have never done leather work, so actually maybe that might be our question of the day. I had something else planned, but have you ever worked with leather? This will be my first time, but let me know in the comments down below. And then here we have this big piece of felt. It feels like wool felt. Let me see. Does it say? It doesn't say what it's made of, but it kind of feels like wool. All right, so here's some felt. We do have some stencils as well. Let me go ahead and take these out of the bag, and I'm sorry for the noise ahead of time here. Let's see. These are very cute. I love these little flowers. Kind of reminds me of like Scandinavian prints or something like that, Norwegian. All right, so we have this little half circle, or quarter circle, sorry, and then a little circle here. We have, I think, the whole alphabet. Yep. They're all upside down. There you go. And then we have our projects. It looks like we have a couple of projects here. So it says, okay, so 7" by 3.5" and 2.5" square, I guess, are the projects. So I guess the eyeglasses case here that you kind of needle point here would be monogram accessories felt kit, 7" by 3.5". And then the little bookmark here would be the 2.5" square. So it's super cute. I want to know that down below actually as well. I have seen these bookmarks before. Do they ruin your pages? Like, I just feel like they're really thick. Do they ever leave some kind of impression or like kind of ruin the way that your book closes then? Let me know down below if you've ever used those and what the result is. But this is super cute looking. There's an L representing my name, Lauren. All right. So you just, oh, I forgot one. It said trace, and I'm like, wait a minute, there was a pencil or something. Okay, so it looks like there's a white marking tool here. Let's go ahead and get this out. Oh my goodness. All right, so a white marking tool, white chalk maybe. Maybe not, does it work? Oh goodness, let's see how many clicks. Actually, it looks like wax. You guys see that? Look, so you go ahead and you trace these little patterns onto your felt, and then you can go ahead and needle point them. It did not come with any threads, so maybe that's going to be in one of our next bags or boxes. And then, let's see. Sorry, I'm just trying to read it as I go here. All right, so yes, eyeglass case, bookmark, and then you get your 10 by 10 sheet of gray felt, you get your monogram stencils, you get your pre-punched leather squares, your white chalk mechanical pencil, so it is chalk, and then you'll need, okay, so additional supplies, you'll need white number 5 pearl cotton thread, an embroidery needle threader, embroidery scissors. All right, the eyeglass case is large enough to hold a rotary cutter, Jenny says, and you've already received these supplies in your box. Okay, so we do have that cotton thread. If you guys remember that snowflake, here it is actually, I'll go ahead and just get this for you. So this white cotton thread here is actually what we're going to use for our cute little monogram projects here. All right, that is awesome. I'm very excited for some of these projects. Let me know what you think down below, and then go ahead and answer that question of the day, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 23. We are getting so close. All right, bye everybody, have a great day.